because even the artificial intelligence, the algorithm is able to understand that this post is of quality.
Yeah.
This is not of quality, or this one has just like the way you said, spammed. Somebody has just picked somebody's content and they are circulating it around.
Yeah.
So you need to post quality content, you need to engage, then you need also to be consistent.
Yeah.
Being able to post continuously. Of course, one of the tools that I love about Facebook is scheduling.
Yeah.
Being able to today I was checking my phone and I forgot that I'd scheduled some posts.
Yeah.
So I came there and already there's engagement that is running.
Yeah.
So for us who are professionals like myself, who you have
Busy.
a full-time job, I think scheduling also does really good.
Yeah.
Because you're able to put up your posts. I do my scheduling in the night.
Yeah.
And I know that I'll be comfortably run with my day job when I know that my posts are actually moving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you talk about scheduling, you
Yeah.
know, when you're scheduling your posts, you
Mm.
know, some of you who are very busy,
Mm-hmm.
some of you who are very busy, you can always schedule your posts.
Yeah.
So when you're scheduling your posts, means that at the times when you're busy, your posts are going out.
Mm-hmm.
So in the time you get free time, you come in and engage with
Yeah.
your audience.
Yeah.
And I would want to tell our viewers again that if I've put up my content, when you're engaging with my content, you're reacting before you comment on my post. Press the heart, we care,
Mm-hmm.
you know, any other. Avoid the like. I always tell people, avoid the like,
Yeah.
because, you know, algorithm is just outdating it.
Mm.
Whenever you react my post, first before you comment, place the like. Now, whenever you're doing this, I would say on a minimum, you're not doing me a favor, you're doing yourself a favor.
Yeah.
Because Facebook will also know that actually on the platform, your account is an engaging account.
Mm-hmm.
So it starts growing your own profile. That's how it works. Okay?
Yeah.
And now, when you look at most creators, please put up a comment. If you can't put up a comment, they have emojis. That's why they
Yes.
brought emojis.
Yeah.
You may not want to write, but you can put up a laughing emoji. If you put up a laughing emoji or a love emoji, you're already engaging.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you are looking at growing your own accounts, if you look at the accounts for Sam Ibanda, my own account, whenever you get there, guys, just place the heart. Place the heart. After placing the heart, then put up a comment. That very comment that you'd want. And if you cannot have time to write, put up an emoji or an avatar.
Yeah.
Some of us, we have personalized avatars.
Yeah. Yeah. That's
So
true.
you can use your avatar to react on that
Yeah.
comment. It helps you to grow your account
Mm-hmm.
as much as anything else.
Mm-hmm.
And I would want to see the viewers, nobody should lie you. There's no trick. This is the simplest trick
Yeah.
on growing our Facebook pages. So when you see those prominent accounts, even if they're from USA, Canada, UK, everywhere globally, just put up a comment.